Woodworking just got a serious upgrade. In this video, we're showcasing 15 woodworking tools that are on another level. Tools designed to boost your precision, speed up your workflow, and transform your shop into a next-gen workspace. Whether you're a DIY hobbyist or a pro woodworker, these innovative carpentry tools, advanced saws, and precision gadgets will blow your mind. Trust me, number 9 is something you'll want on your bench right now. Without further ado, let's get started. Accurate 90-degree angles are crucial in woodworking and frame construction. That is why a dependable corner clamp is essential in any workshop. The WETOLS corner clamp is a little but strong tool that allows you to secure two separate pieces of wood or metallic material, or plastic, at an exact correct angle. It has a single-handle quick-release system that allows for one-handed usage and a strong aluminum alloy body for long-term reliability. The adjustable jaw accommodates materials of various thicknesses with ease. Utilizing the WETOLS clamp enhances accuracy while also saving you time and effort. It streamlines difficult assembly chores and produces better results, making solo woodworking jobs far more doable. An excellent quality scroll saw is essential for delicate woodworking projects, including intricate curves, internal cuts, and bespoke fretwork. The Grizzly 18-inch scroll saw is designed for serious artisans in woodworking who want both precision and power. It has a large 18-inch throat, adjustable speed controls, a movable table for slanted wounds, and a constructed dust extractor and port for improved visibility. The robust cast iron base prevents vibration, resulting in smoother cuts. Applying the Grizzly Scroll Saw, artists can easily create razor-sharp curves and intricate designs. It's an essential tool for anybody looking to improve their craftsmanship in intricate woodworking tasks. Having an effortless, excellent surface finish is an important step in woodworking, furniture manufacturing, and DIY home renovation. Vevor Random Orbital Sander delivers powerful and precise sanding performance for both professionals and DIYers. Equipped with a robust 3 amps motor and capable of reaching up to 13,000 OPM, it ensures rapid material removal and smooth finishes. The 6 variable speed settings allow you to adjust the sanding speed based on your project needs for optimal control. Designed with an ergonomic shock-absorbing grip and a detachable assist handle, it offers enhanced comfort and stability during extended use. The efficient dust collection system, paired with a transparent dust box, keeps your workspace clean and lets you monitor dust levels easily. With its easy-to-change sanding pads and professional-grade features, this orbital sander is ideal for furniture refinishing, woodworking, metal polishing, and more. While dealing with long lengths of material such as metal, wood, or pipes, particularly while chopping or feeding via a saw, sufficient support is essential. The WorkPro folding roller stand is the ideal support solution for any workshop, job site, or DIY project. With an adjustable height range from 27 to 43 inches, it easily adapts to your workspace and materials. Built for heavy-duty use, this stand boasts a 250 pounds load capacity, perfect for handling long or heavy stock. Its highly visible edge guides keep your workpieces secure, while the eccentric foot design ensures stability even on uneven surfaces. Lightweight yet rugged, the stand folds flat for easy portability and compact storage. Whether you're cutting, sanding, or assembling, the WorkPro folding roller stand adds efficiency, support, and safety to your workflow. A must-have companion for professionals and home users alike. Precise angle measurement is essential for woodworking, building, and metalworking. Even little deviations from the proper angle might jeopardize the correctness and reliability of your project. A digital angle gauge is especially useful in this situation. The The Prexico Magnetic Digital Angle Gauge is a must-have precision tool for woodworkers, pipe fitters, and metalworkers. Featuring a bright rotatable display, it provides clear readings from any angle. The built-in magnet securely attaches to metal surfaces, while the V-groove base ensures stable alignment on round pipes and conduits. Ideal for checking relative angles, drawing accurate horizontal lines, adjusting table saw blades, or assisting with pipe installations, this compact tool offers reliable performance on the job. The data hold function locks your measurement, making it easier to record or transfer values. Whether you're setting miter saw angles or aligning machinery, the Prexico Angle Gauge delivers quick, accurate, and repeatable results, streamlining your workflow with confidence and efficiency. Durable and user-friendly, it's the perfect tool for professional and DIY use. Eye protection is important in any workplace or job site. Flying particles, and chemicals can all cause significant eye damage. Standard safety glasses sometimes fog up or provide inadequate side safeguarding, making them unpleasant or unsuitable for prolonged use. DEWALT Concealer Safety Goggles deliver superior protection with all-day comfort. Designed with a lightweight, dual-injected rubber frame, these goggles form a soft, flexible seal around the eyes for a snug and secure fit. The adjustable head strap ensures personalized comfort, while the built-in ventilation channel helps reduce fog and improve airflow during extended use. Featuring a one-piece polycarbonate lens, they offer full eye coverage, shielding against high-impact hazards and harmful UV rays. The goggles meet ANSI Z87.1 standards and are available in clear or smoke anti-fog lenses for varying environments. A convenient RX insert is also available, allowing users to pair prescription vision correction with top-tier safety. Rugged, dependable, and engineered for durability, the DEWALT Concealer Goggles are built to perform. In situations where precise, clean, and safe cutting is required, especially in tight spaces or for detailed tasks, a full-size circular saw can be cumbersome and unsafe. That's where the HYCHIKA Compact Circular Saw becomes essential. The HYCHIKA Compact Circular Saw is a powerful yet lightweight cutting tool ideal for precision jobs in tight spaces. Powered by a 6.2 amp motor, it delivers smooth cuts through plastic, tile, wood, and more. With an adjustable cutting depth up to 1 7/8 inches and a 0 degree to 45 degree bevel capacity, this mini saw offers flexibility for a wide range of applications. Designed for one-handed operation, it features a double safety button to prevent accidental starts and ensure user protection. The 5-inch scale ruler helps guide straight cuts, while the easy blade change system tightens the bolt counterclockwise and adds convenience. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, this saw makes cleaner, more controlled cuts with less fatigue. Perfect for home projects, tile fitting, and detailed construction work. Compact, efficient, and highly versatile. Accurate angle measurement and marking are fundamental in woodworking, construction, and engineering projects. The VIEWREAL Premium Carpenter Square meets this need by providing a versatile, reliable tool to quickly measure or mark precise angles from 0 to 90 degrees. Its preset angles and corresponding pins streamline repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing errors. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy with clear laser-printed markings, it ensures long-lasting accuracy and ease of use. Whether you're framing, cutting, or shaping various materials like wood, pipes, or three-dimensional objects, this multi-angle square enhances precision, efficiency, and safety. It is an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts aiming for perfect joints and clean finishes in every project. Drilling perfectly straight and accurately placed holes can be challenging when using just a handheld drill, especially without a drill press. The Kreg Drilling Guide is an essential tool for anyone needing perfectly straight and accurately positioned holes without a drill press. Featuring hardened steel drill guides for 6 popular bit sizes, it ensures precise, perpendicular drilling on both the face and edge of materials. Its ergonomic design and non-slip grip max strips keep the guide steady, preventing bit wander during use. The open space beneath the guides allows wood chips to clear easily, speeding up drilling and keeping your workspace clean. The guide automatically centers on 3/4 inch and 1/2 inch boards and plywood edges for flawless, centered holes every time. Ideal for screws, hardware mounting, dowel joints, and more. This durable and easy-to-use tool suits both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Backed by Kreg's renowned customer support and educational resources, the Kreg Drilling Guide is the perfect addition to your woodworking toolkit for reliable, consistent results. Working with powerful tools like table saws, bandsaws, and router tables poses significant safety risks, especially when handling small or narrow workpieces. One wrong move or a moment of hesitation can result in dangerous kickbacks or serious hand injuries. The GrabberPRO by Milescraft is designed to eliminate these risks by keeping your hands safely elevated and away from the blade while providing unmatched control and precision. Its diamond grip-coated legs maintain secure contact on both sides of the blade, reducing kickback and stabilizing the material during the cut. Whether you're ripping thin boards or balancing tall, narrow stock, this tool offers the support and pressure control needed for clean, accurate, and safe cuts. For professionals and DIYers alike, the GrabberPRO isn't just a convenience, it's a critical safety upgrade that belongs in every workshop. Precision is everything in modern woodworking, and a high-quality router table fence is essential for delivering accurate, repeatable results. The Woodpeckers SF Pro Router Table Fence is designed for those who demand exact control over their routing operations. Whether you're making joinery cuts, edge profiling, or working with detailed templates, the ability to micro-adjust both the in-feed and out-feed fences ensures clean, consistent results every time. Fine-tuned positioning to the 1,000th of an inch eliminates guesswork, while the rugged construction and compatibility with dust collection systems keep your work clean and safe. For any serious woodworker or professional shop, this tool doesn't just streamline workflows, it elevates the entire craft. Every woodworker needs a dependable set of hand planes for precision work, and this 2-piece hand plane set is the perfect starting point. Whether you're smoothing surfaces, straightening edges, or trimming joinery, hand planes offer a tactile level of control and finish that machines can't replicate. But rather than cluttering your bench with dozens of specialized planes, this carefully selected essential hand plane set gives you the versatility to handle 90% of all planing tasks with just 2 tools: a robust jack plane and a versatile low-angle block plane. From flattening rough stock to fine-tuning end grain, these planes let you work with precision, efficiency, and craftsmanship. It's a must-have setup for both beginner and experienced woodworkers who want to maximize performance while minimizing tool investment. Accurate layout work is crucial in woodworking, and the Rockler Center offset marking tool eliminates guesswork from 2 of the most common and time-consuming marking tasks. Whether you're trying to find the exact center of a board edge or need precise offset lines for trim, reveals, or joinery, this compact tool makes it fast, easy, and repeatable. Using a simple number 2 pencil, it lets you mark dead center lines on boards up to 1 1/2 inches thick or quickly draw consistent offsets from 1/16 inch to 1/2 inch in 1/16 inch increments. No rulers, no calipers, and no fiddling required. Its intuitive design increases efficiency, reduces errors, and ensures professional-level accuracy even for beginners. Perfect for cabinetry, moldings, or DIY furniture builds, this tool is a must-have for woodworkers who value precision and speed. In professional carpentry and remodeling, precision, speed, and control are non-negotiable. The Milwaukee M12 fuel jig saw is essential for professionals who demand power, precision, and control on the job site. With the fastest 12-volt blade speed under load, it delivers clean, efficient cuts across a wide range of materials. Its compact, ergonomic barrel grip design ensures superior control in all orientations, especially in tight or awkward spaces. The integrated dust blower and LED light provide maximum cut line visibility, reducing errors and improving accuracy. With orbital cutting action, a variable speed dial, and tool-less blade change, it's built for speed and convenience. Whether you're a carpenter or remodeler, this tool ensures performance and reliability, making it a vital addition to any professional's toolkit. Sanding intricate shapes, corners, and small surfaces can be frustrating with traditional sanding blocks or paper. The Milescraft sand. It solves this challenge with a multi-surface ergonomic design that simplifies detailed sanding tasks. Whether you're working on rounded edges, tight corners, flat surfaces, or concave profiles, this tool provides the exact shape and support you need. It's perfect for woodworkers, DIYers, and finished carpenters who need precision in tight areas like rounded edges, spindles, and plugs. Instead of switching between multiple tools, the Sandit offers 6 sanding profiles in one compact form, saving both time and effort. Its compatibility with standard 1/4 sheet sandpaper also ensures quick grit changes, making it an essential tool for achieving smooth, professional finishes on any small or detailed project. So, which of these next-level woodworking tools earned a spot on your list? Drop your favorite in the comments below, and if you saw something that could take your builds to the next level, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss the best in woodworking gear, DIY innovations, and tool reviews. Until next time, measure twice, cut once, and keep building smarter.